How are you? How's your Christmas and New Year with your family and friends? I want to know what's happening in your life. So, if you have time, don't hesitate to message me or comment down below. And when I'm not doing or I'm not busy, I will answer all your questions hopefully, and hoping to be answer all your questions. And oh, yes, you can be friends here in my YouTube channel. So, and today I'm going to do a video, my Christmas gift unboxing plus giveaway. Yes, I'm having my first giveaway here in my YouTube channel. When I reach or get a 100 subscriber, I will give a one item. I will I will show it later after the after the gift that I will open later. At the end of the video, I will show it. So please subscribe if you're not a subscriber already. And of course, moving on. And okay, let's begin. I'm so excited. This one is what that I received from my family and friends here. And this one is last year that I never show it. So I'm so excited to open these two bags first. I will open this Marks and Spencer brand. It's really cute. I really like the package. It's so pretty. And it has a letter from my father here. Let me open it for you. It's so pretty. I like the cover, and I'm really excited to know what's inside of this bag. So first, let me show you. So excited. Ta-da! Oh, so pretty. I really love this. Really want to have this, like to have this in my life. In nitrous sleepwear. It's so pretty. OMG. It has a ruffle here, there, and a lace and a ribbon. And the texture is so soft and really nice in your skin. So pretty. And at the bottom, it has a ruffle. I'm really excited to use this one, and I'm hoping that it will fit me. And so cute, and it comes with an underwear. And that is the ribbon. I really like the color and the softness of this softness of this yarn. So pretty. I'm really loving it. It's perfect gift ever. Thank you for this one. And the next one that I'm going to open is here from my brother and Alanis and Baby Rama. Here is Baby Rama. Thank you. So let's open it slowly. I'm wondering what's inside of this. I'm really excited to know what's the item, the product. Okay. First thing that I got is here, a Maybelline Velvet Foundation. So cute, so pretty. It's really a lucky day. It's my lucky day because my foundation is going to be empty, and it's a perfect timing that I'm going to have a new one. So thank you. And Maybelline is my favorite product also, makeup product also. And I haven't been wearing a Maybelline foundation. I used a powdered, like that, powdered foundation. So I'm just excited to use this. And let me show you. The color is like a beige. Let me test this. here. It was like a light, it was like a beige color. Okay, the next thing that I got, ta-da! It's a MAC lipstick. Yeah, let me open. Let this one open. The color is, I think, it's the Vegas Vault lipstick. I know it was creepy. Thank you for this one, because my lipstick's going to be empty also. Here, this is like a reddish color. My favorite color is pink, so I guess it's okay. I think it's okay to wear a red. Here, this is the color. I think this is red. Vegas Vault. So let me try, so you know what's this. So okay, moving on. The next thing that I got here is it's a nail polish. Ashley Shine first, and the color is green olive. And yeah, I'm so excited to use this. This is my first time that I will get a green nail polish. It's a Nature Lover color, so I like this one. And the next thing that I got is a pair of earrings, color pink earring, like this one, a pink bow, and this one is a round. So pretty. I'm so excited to use this one. Thank you. And the last thing that I got is here, a flower necklace. I have this one also, but it haven't like this one. This is my new favorite necklace, like this, black, and that's a pearl and bow. It's really pretty. Thank you for this. Oh, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And the next one is here, for such a clutch bag. This is a gift last year that I haven't showed this before. Let me show it and join this on my YouTube in this video. A gold bag, so pretty, and the brand is, of course, let me show you, Dorothy Perkins bag. So nice. And look at this, and it's so pretty. I'm so excited this one to wear this one. And of course, a Kit Kat from my brother, and delicious Kit Kat, so delicious. And this one, I want to join this one, a from my friend way back in college. Hi, Emma. And of course, the giveaway item that I'm going to give is here, a travel pillow, memory foam travel pillow. Yes, so if you like to get this one, just subscribe, and if you are lucky you can get this. So subscribe and I will sub back to you. Okay, so I guess I think I'm done. So thank you for watching, and see you on my next video. Okay, and hope you enjoy your day, and okay, bye. Thank you for all your gifts.